there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a PR unboxing. You guys know I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all my PR packages and then we check them out, we see what's new in makeup. So if that sounds good, let's get started. So the first box this week came over from OFRA and this is their brand new lip glosses. I love OFRA, I love so many of their lip products. I'm really excited to see them come out with these glosses. So these are their glossy like that glosses. They're going to be $15 each. I do have a coupon code with OFRA. It's just Makeupmolly, so you will save an additional percentage off that. I don't think $15 is a bad price. And it looks like there are so many different colors, which is perfect because I've been really into lip glosses lately. So I'm going to go straight for these nude shades because you guys know how much I love my nudes. But it looks like there's like a clear one, some deeper purples. I'll show you guys a few of them. So this one is the one that gravitated towards me most. This one is in Golden Rose. It looks really pretty in the tube. It kind of looks similar to like what I have on my lips right now. So here's the packaging, very sleek, and I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. And ooh, the formula actually feels really nice. I'll go ahead and actually put the little on my lips too. Just kind of try it out. It doesn't feel sticky, which is nice. Has a nice scent to it as well. So there's that color on the lips, definitely gave a really pretty glossy sheen. I'll show you guys a couple more of the colors. Let's do this one, which is kind of like a deeper nude. This one is Cherry Mocha. And here is Cherry Mocha. I'll go ahead and give this one a swatch as well. This is also what I love, like pinky nudes like this are my favorites. And I think this one is really fun right here. This one is called Glamour Pink. And here's what that one looks like. It's kind of like a rosy pink shade. I love this type of shade, especially in the summertime. I think it's so gorgeous. Yes, that one is so pretty. I can't wait to try these out more, try out the different colors, but so far I really like the way it feels on the lips. It feels very comfortable. It doesn't feel sticky, and I don't see any on my teeth, so that's always a good sign. Thank you, OFRA, for sending that over. I will have the OFRA website down below, of course, and I'll have my coupon code right next to it, so if you guys do want to shop these, you can check it out there. All right, and getting into this next one here, I do not know who it is from, but it is heavy. So I got my box cutter here, and we will open it up. So this one is from RENPURE, and I think that they are a hair care company. I got another package from them before. It was like their tea tree line. So here is this one. So it says Rose Water Weightless Hydration. So this is their new Rose Water Weightless Hydration collection. And it says that this is available at Target, Walgreens, CVS, Whole Foods, and Herb. They're $7.99 each. So we have the Weightless Hydration Conditioner here. And then we also have the shampoo. These are really good like size bottles. They have 16 ounces in them for like the $7.99. I don't think that's bad at all. And then there is also a dry shampoo. Ooh, I love me some dry shampoo. I needed some today. And then also there is this one here, which, what is this? Eco Cube? What does that mean? Literally looks like a block. It says, to celebrate, enjoy watching these wild rose blossom with the help of TLC. Okay, so it is actually a plant. I can't really get this thing out, but there's a bunch of like instructions here on the back on how to take care of it, water it. I'm really bad at keeping things alive, so hopefully I do okay with that one. I'll keep you guys updated, but definitely excited to try these products. A big thank you to them for sending them over. So this next box I just opened came over from Koki Professional, and inside of here we have some fluff. So let's see, there's a couple different wrappings. It says, hope you're having a good summer. Wanted to send you our top selling products at Meijer. So you guys probably don't know what Meijer is if you're not like local to like Michigan. I think there's a few like in other states, but it's basically like our version of like a grocery store. It's kind of like a Walmart, Target type of thing, and they have some new products that are available there, and I've seen them before at Meijer, like their nail polishes and different things. So I will go ahead and pull these out. So we have the Hydrating Setting Spray. This is a long wear setting spray. We also have their Volume Mascara, and then we have this little brush right here. It feels pretty soft. This one is their 620 brush right here. And they also sent over a powder contour palette. So this is like their highlighting and contouring palette right here, which I believe I have this in my collection from them. So big thank you to Koki. I love the fact that they are available at Meijer, that they know that I live here and that I have Meijer around me, because I think that's really fun. And so I've got two different boxes here from ColourPop this week, which is so exciting. So I'll go ahead and open this one first, and then I'll grab the next one. So this first one says Glitter Pop. I believe this is some of their new glitters. Yes, okay, cool. So this is their Glitterly Obsessed Catching Flights glitter set. Look at that. All of these really, really pretty, fun, iridescent glitters in here. I'm loving this. So these are just like some loose glitters you can apply. I really like this one here. I love this one and this one. I'm just so into like silvery glitters right now. I think they're so pretty. And then we also have this here, which I think is an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, this is actually pressed glitters. I forgot they even had these. Mine looked a little rough in here, so I'll have to just be careful when I'm tipping it because it looks like a few of them kind of got like pressed weird. They're still intact, but I'll kind of just have to press them down a little bit more. But these are some loose glitters from them. Really, really gorgeous. I don't want to swatch them because I know they're going to get everywhere and I'm going to have glitter all over me for the rest of the video. But these look so pretty. I love loose glitters as well. I like that it has this little compact here as well. So you guys can always use my code 5Molly to save $5 off your $10 purchase at ColourPop. And then there are also some of their Glitterly Obsessed in here. So we have 3 different Glitterly Obsessed. I love these. These are fun for like your hair and kind of like your body if you want to put them on your hands. They're very, very pretty. So thank you ColourPop for this package. Loving all things glitter. And then I'll go ahead and open the other box so we can see what else we got. So this next one is the California Love collection. So inside of here, we do have this palette right here, the California Love. I love the packaging, like the orange packaging. I think it's so pretty. Palm trees, very, very pretty right there. Ooh, this one is nice. Here is what the inside of that looks like. That looks really pretty. So we have like a loose glitter, a pressed shadow, and then some matte shades. I'll swatch a couple of these so we can see. I'm going to go for a few of the shimmer shades, and then I'll swatch a couple of the mattes for you. I like that it's kind of like an orangey, like yellowy palette. I think that's really pretty for summertime. Definitely very fun. And then also inside of here we have their Bff Mascara. So they sent over actually a few of these in some different colors. So we have the Lover's Coral and then also the Brownie Points. So a brown one and a pink one, which is fun. And then there are also some lip products, I believe. These are their Ultra Blotted lips, which I do really like that formula. So I went ahead and pulled out all 4 of the shades. They're definitely very fun, vibrant shades for summertime. They look beautiful. I really like this pink like fuchsia one. I think it's so fun. I'm just so into this color right now. I think this one with that gloss that we had would be so pretty over top. There's what that looks like. Gorgeous. So fun collection from ColourPop, fun with the glitters. I'm very excited to dig into all of this. Okay, so next we got this big old box here from Lancome. I don't know why I always have to say it like that. I always have to be like Lancome. All right, so we got this box right here from them, and it's going to open up. And it looks like we have a bunch of mascaras. Ooh, fun. So we have a bunch of different mascaras from them right here. This is some of their best-selling mascaras. So inside of here, look at all of these mascaras. This is like heaven. I love their XL Booster. This one is like their primer. I really, really like that. I also love the Monsieur Big, this one right here. I haven't tried like all of their mascaras, so this is kind of fun to try them out. I know I've tried the Hypnose Drama, and I do really like that one as well. So we have quite a few, obviously, to test out. Quite a few varieties in here. Such a fun package to get all of them, though. Definitely loving this. I think it's super cool from Lancome. Thank you for that. The next box I have here is from the BALM. Again, this is pretty heavy, so let's see what they have sent over. So it actually came in this little like lunch pail. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. So we have a little lunch pail here, and it says the Balmair Highlighting Blush Duo Night Owl on these sides here. So I will go ahead and open these. And inside of here, we have a couple of info cards kind of showing it. So these are their new, I'm excited about these, they're new little duos. They have some new blush duos that are right here. So they are a highlighting and a blush duo. So like 2 products in one. Actually sent doubles. They always do that. They're so sweet. So I'll be able to throw one of those in a giveaway for you guys. So I'll go ahead and show you. So we have Beach Gore first. And the packaging, oh, we have a broken shade here. Hold on. This one is actually broken, but I'll show you guys. So we have this top one right here, and then the second one is right here, the pinky one. Let me go ahead and open the other one and make sure that one's not broken. That one I'll swatch, and then I'll try to put this one back together because I don't want to have a broken one. So, oh, this one's broken too. We're just not really having much good luck. I probably just like did it when I was like, this is what this is. It's probably my own fault. I can always like try and repress these. I can still swatch them for you guys. Let me go ahead and just swatch so we can still see. It's very pretty formula, it looks like. So it looks like both of these are kind of glittery. And I'll go ahead and give them a swatch. So here is the swatch of that one right there. Those look really pretty, especially that pink one looks gorgeous. So this one again was the Beach Gore palette. And we have the Night Owl one right here, and it looks like these are going to be shuttered too. They are. Okay, so let me just go ahead and show you guys the swatches of these. I don't want to like tilt them up because they might fall out of the pan, but I will still show you the swatches. So these definitely look very pigmented. I don't know if I'd wear these like as a blush like per se. They kind of all look like more like highlighty to me, like glittery highlights. So this one right here is the Night Owl one right there. And then we have the last one, which is called Game Day. And this one is intact, yay. Okay, so this one is not broken, so I can show you guys. So this one is the Game Day. So here's the top of that one. And then the bottom there. I think it's a really fun idea to just have like the duos like this. I think it's a really cool, just like fun and different idea. These feel really nice. So go ahead and swatch those two. So these are those two right there. Very, very pretty. I think these are fun. I don't know if I would wear them again as like blushes or highlights or more of like a blush topper. I'll have to see how they look on the face. Obviously, I'll have to like repress those other ones there. But definitely a cool package from the BALM. And then also they threw a couple of their classics in here. So we have their Mad Lash Mascara as well as their Schwing eyeliner, which is one of my favorites. So definitely a fun package here from the BALM. Okay, we got a little mailer here from Lime Crime. So this one is their Ghost Veil. And this gives your lips an invisible shield and set prime boundaries that will ensure long-lasting quality. There are no blurred lines with the Ghost Veil, just smooth gliding application, protection without ceasing. So slip on translucent sheer pink veil and up your game with compatible cream, gloss, matte, or sheer shades. Pull out your all too go lip liner and lip cream. Okay, so you actually put it on beforehand. It comes in like this little thing right here. So it sounds kind of like a prepper, but it says you let it dry for a little bit and then you apply your lipstick and it's going to make it last longer, which is nice. That'll be cool with like a liquid lipstick or something you want to wear like all day. It does say apply your favorite gloss, matte, or sheer shades. So I wonder if it would make a lip gloss last longer. That would be really, really cool if it was going to extend the like gloss wear, because you know glosses don't last as long as like liquid lipsticks or something. So here is what it looks like. It kind of has like a pinky tint to it. And I will swatch it. I'm sure it's probably going to be, yeah, just kind of looks like a pinky gloss itself. I don't, it actually kind of smells like strawberries. It smells good. I'll have to try this out. I'm really curious about this. It sounds pretty cool. So if it actually does like make your gloss last longer, that sounds amazing. Also, obviously, like making your like liquid lips and things last longer. I think this could be a really cool product. So we'll kind of see as it dries down what it feels like on the lips. But I think this is a really cool and innovative product as long as it works. Let me know if you guys want to see like a video on this. I can definitely do that. Okay, and then the last one here, it says it's from LORAC. This is very fun and colorful, this package right here. So this is going to be their Neon Lights Pressed Pigment Palette, very bright. It says that this is available on Ulta and LORAC for $29. And I'll go ahead and show you guys. It has really fun like confetti in here. Okay, so our palette is nice and bubble wrapped right here. And I will pull it out. It's been a while since I've tried something from LORAC. Used to have a lot of their, I can't think of what they're called, but like their longer palettes. I can't think of what they're called. I used to have a lot of those. So this one is 10 new electric shades, 4 neon mattes, 4 bright shimmers, and 1 neutral transition shade, and 1 baseless high shimmer shade. So it actually sounds really nice. It's a smaller palette, which I do really like smaller palettes. It's a sign of casualties today. Look at this. It's kind of fun with the different things. I feel like this is perfect for like Pride Month right now. We did have a little bit of an issue here with Disco. It looks like this one's falling out a little bit, so I'll just hold that one so it doesn't tip over. But here is the inside of the palette right there. So I will swatch. I'm actually wanting to swatch Disco because that one looks really pretty. The blue one, and then these ones are going to be pigment, so I wonder if they will end up like staining the eyes. We'll have to see. So here is a few of them on my hand. I'll go ahead and swatch them. Ooh, that blue looks really, really, really pretty. And the like matte pigments look really nice too. Look at that blue, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then I want to swatch this like silvery shade too, because this one looks really pretty. I'll swatch that one next to the blue one. Yeah, so it's kind of like a white silver. Really, really gorgeous. I'm excited to see LORAC do something kind of fun like this, because I feel like a lot of times their palettes are very like neutral and things like that. So it's kind of fun to see them just like do a very bright neon palette. I think that's kind of different for them. You guys will have to let me know what you think of that down below. It definitely is kind of doing a little bit of staying action when I'm trying to get off here. But let me know down below what products you guys are most excited about from this week. But that is going to do it for our PR unboxing. Give this one a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you go. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.